Across the digital frontier, inefficiency reigned. Until now. Behold, the dawn of Solana. Ever felt stuck waiting for online payments? In the blockchain world, slow speeds and high fees have been major roadblocks, creating digital traffic jams.
But what if a blockchain could handle thousands of transactions per second with super low costs? Meet Solana, the Visa of crypto.
Solana is built from the ground up for lightning speed and massive scalability. It's designed to be blazingly fast and incredibly efficient. Its secret sauce is proof of history. This creates a cryptographic timeline, timestamping every transaction. It's like a globally synchronized clock. This unique tech allows the network to process transactions in parallel, not one by one. Imagine a super efficient factory line, all working at once. Combined with innovations like Tower BFT for quick consensus and C-level for parallel smart contracts, Solana ensures ultra-fast, reliable performance. Solana is also a thriving hub for NFTs. Artists and creators can mint and trade their digital masterpieces with lightning speed and low costs. This speed is a game changer for decentralized finance, making crypto swaps and lending incredibly fast and accessible to everyone.
For blockchain gaming, Solana offers seamless experiences. No more lag or frustrating delays, you're just smooth, enjoyable gameplay.
Beyond finance and gaming, Solana is powering a rapidly expanding ecosystem of innovative dApps, from social media to supply chain solutions.
At the core of the Solana network is its native cryptocurrency, SOL. It's the fuel that powers everything within this ecosystem. You use SOL to pay for transaction fees, which are incredibly low, making microtransactions practical and affordable for everyday use. And by holding SOL, you can even participate in its governance, shaping the future direction of this innovative and fast-growing network.
Solana is truly revolutionizing what's possible in blockchain. Ready to explore the speed of crypto? Solana is truly revolutionizing what's possible in blockchain. Ready to explore the speed of crypto?